The winter session of Parliament concluded today. Continuous ruckus was witnessed during the session by the opposition on various issues, as a result of which many crucial legislations became a casualty. Here's a detailed report.
The winter session of Parliament ended on Wednesday after both houses were adjourned sine die. Similar to the monsoon session, this session also became a casualty of continuous uproar and disruptions. The session that began on 26th November saw 20 sittings of the Lok Sabha and lost 8 hours due to ruckus. During the session, 13 bills were passed in the Lok Sabha. The total productivity registered was 100.46%. Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan said ways will have to be found and worked on to make sure that more legislative work takes place than disruptions.
संसदीय प्रक्रियाओं का प्रयोग करते हुए शक्तिपूर्वक रूप से असहमति दर्ज कराए, लेकिन इस बात का भी ध्यान रहे कि संसद में चर्चा एवं विधायी कार्य ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो, गतिरोध कम से कम हो.
The statement from the Lok Sabha Speaker assumes significance as the opposition, especially the Congress, did not let Parliament function and found new issues every day to cause ruckus, as a result of which critical bills that were on the agenda of the government were stuck. Bills including the GST are still pending in Parliament, which are crucial for economic growth.
With all responsibility and humility, I have no hesitation to say that the principal opposition party in both the houses has to take the blame for all that has gone wrong during this session. It needs to do a lot of explanation. ये उनका दायित्व बनता है, कर्तव्य बनता है. क्यों ऐसा व्यवहार किया उन्होंने? क्यों सदन को क्यों नहीं चलने दिया? इस सरकार को सफल नहीं होने देना, ये उनका एक सूत्र एजेंडा ऐसा लग रहा है.
In Rajya Sabha, during the session, 9 bills were passed in the House. Rajya Sabha's productivity was registered at 46%. Legislative work got hampered due to continuous disruption by the opposition.
Productivity of the House has been only 46%. There is a great disappointment. Even the 9 bills also, majority of them were passed without discussion, which is not a healthy trend, I do agree.
After getting approval of either of the two houses, some important bills have now been cleared by both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. They are Negotiable Instruments Amendment Bill, Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill, SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Amendment Bill, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Bill 2015, Payment of Bonus Amendment Bill 2015, Atomic Energy Bill, the Commercial Courts, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Bill, the High Court and the Supreme Court Judges' Salaries and Conditions of Service Amendment Bill and the Indian Forest Amendment Bill. Legislative work took place in Lok Sabha. Among the bills that were passed by the House were Bureau of Indian Standards Bill, National Waterways Bill, Sugar Cess Amendment Bill and Indian Trust Amendment Bill. Critical issues were discussed in Parliament, which included Tamil Nadu floods and the situation in Andhra Pradesh, drought situation in some states and price rise. According to an estimate, 29,000 rupees are spent per minute on proceedings of Parliament. Crores of rupees get wasted due to disruptions, and country's progress and development get hampered in a big way. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu, questioning the opposition, said a debate has already begun on redefining Rajya Sabha in the wake of constant ruckus witnessed in the upper house. With Parliament team, News Night Desk, DD News.